Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Microwave Me. Today, Captain Microwave is going to make this Kohlrabi walk the plank. Arr, mateys. As you can see, I have not entirely run through the whole produce section, not even close. So I'm going to be putting it inside of Lindsay, the Proctor-Silex microwave. Placing the Kohlrabi in, like so, with the leaves and everything. How long should I cook it for? Thinking 2 minutes. Put this thing in for a nice 2 minutes. The Kohlrabi, it looks like, is done, and it's nicely steamed. Be honest, I wasn't sure if this thing was going to explode or what, but I'm glad it didn't. I'm going to hit it with a spatula just to make sure. If it explodes, I'm going to get it on camera. Nope, no explosion. So, my final verdict is, microwaving a Kohlrabi is indeed a good idea. It is safe to microwave a Kohlrabi to save some time, heat it up, and it probably tastes delicious. So I'm going to give it my seal of approval. Captain Microwave approves and says good idea, though I may rewatch the film and change my mind.